What is up, people? We are back with another vlog, and yes, I'm carrying a bag with all of my basketball stuff. Obviously, back to training last night. Felt real good. We did some really good drills. I feel like our team is getting better and better with every training session we do, every drill we do. We have amazing coaches. Our coaches are pretty much the same as our footy coach. Our basketball coach is our footy coach, I should really say. Don't mind me, I'm just, unpacking my basketball bag so I can repack it. And you guys are probably wondering, why am I repacking it? The only reason I unpack it and repack it is because I like to know what I've got, what I don't need, what I need, and my camera battery is going to die. And I also like to just, clean my bag out, make sure that there's stuff in there that shouldn't be in there. Obviously, I always keep my Gatorade towel with me. Obviously, at the moment, since we've only just gotten back, I haven't really been getting into recovery until after training. Obviously, I stretch before and I stretch afterwards. So, it's what you're supposed to do. But, yeah. So, I'll give you guys a little house tour. So, obviously, lounge room with my dog. The table with my basketball on it, the bench with my basketball shoes, that's only half my big ass kitchen, my cabinet with all my other weird stuff in it, laundry, probably have already showed you guys this, but yeah, toilet in here, I'm not going to show you it, carport, backyard through that door, and then go down this way, and you got spare guest bedroom, bathroom, my bathroom, which has been updated a little. I put that up, what Dad did, and we put that up like a couple days ago. So, there's some stuff that's upgraded in the house. Obviously, we got these little things the other day from Amazon. So, but I am going to hopefully order the LA Lakers Doona cover for my bed. I've already got the pillowcases, I just need the Doona cover. I'm going to see if I can get me to order it or my mum to order it, and I'll just pay her back. But yeah, not really a total lot has been going on, apart from that we had basketball training last night was really, really good. I'm just going to steal this to mount you guys up. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, basketball training was really good last night. Obviously, first, training back in 2 weeks because we took some time off because of the school holidays, which was nice. So yeah, and then we got footy training Friday night, so I'm looking forward to that. Just going to put these batteries over here for the camera. I'm going to pack this off camera just because actually, I'm going to pack it on camera because you guys will probably want to see how I pack my bag ready for basketball. Obviously, it's not going to go in the car today. It'll go in the car tomorrow probably. So I always have a spare pair of shoes, or another, I always have 3 pairs of shoes, but I only wear one because I don't have 5 feet. And then I pack 2 pairs of socks, just because, gotta always have the socks. Gotta have my skipping rope for either after or before, or, never. So I'm just going to put that on the ground. I'm going to put one jersey over there, the other jersey on top. I'm going to put my ankle brace in here. I'm gonna also put this in here. You never know who will need it. I'm gonna put one pair of shoes in there. Other pair sideways, and then jerseys on top. You grab a towel and I put a towel on top. Pack my bag, zip all this up. Last thing I do, I always do the skipping rope because, you know, it's the easiest thing to do at the end. And then just grab it and let it flop. Pull this, do that. Put that all there. And then I put my basketball bag on the floor. Chuck the ball on top. Grab the roller. Put the roller there. And that's that done. And then obviously I just fold this thing up. Like I'm going to take this to training. It'd be weird. But yeah, that's my bag all packed for training, which is next week. And then obviously basketball training next week, footy training this week. So yeah, not really a whole lot to go on apart from just I've been busy, so that's why I haven't made a vlog. Been speaking to quite a lot of people. Just want to see how sunny it is outside. Really, really sunny. This is nice. We've had a few days where there's been some terrible weather, so hasn't been really a lot for me to do apart from just trying to stay out of the bad weather. You guys will be glad to know that yesterday when I was here, because I was here all day because I had the NBN come out and waste my time, but I'm not going to get into that. That's another story for another day. I went to Coles yesterday because I needed some shoelaces. And the little black Vans, I don't know if you guys ever saw them. I never really showed the shoes that I wore on vlogs, but I got the black Vans all fixed up with brand new laces, so which is really good that I got them all fixed up, so now I can wear my black Vans whenever, which is nice because I've missed them. Like I do like my high top ones that I was wearing for a while, but these ones I, you know, felt like I should just jump back into them because they felt nice. So yeah, if you guys go back a couple vlogs to where I was wearing my Melbourne jumper, I can't find it. I honestly cannot find it. I can't find where I have put it. I haven't seen it since I moved. I am a little bit frustrated because I can't find it, and it's a jumper I really, really want to wear, but I can't find the jumper. So I don't know if you guys have any sort of suggestions or ideas of where it could be, leave them down in the comments. I'll look at them, read them. So yeah, I just at the moment I haven't able to find them, which is really annoying. I've asked my sister, I've asked my nan, I've asked my brother, I've asked work, I've asked a bunch of people, and they're like, we haven't seen it. I can't see it. I remember the last time I had it was when my nephew threw up on me and I put it in the wash, and then I put it somewhere and I haven't been able to find it since. So So yeah, and it's not in my cupboard. So we'll see what happens. I'll find it. It will eventually pop up and I'll see it. But yeah, bedroom's clean and tidy. Just gonna turn the bedroom light off because I don't like to leave the light on in there. I'll probably go back in there in a minute and clean some things up. But I'm gonna end the vlog here, play some more farming, do some stuff on the internet, and we'll see you guys in the next one.